Hello Virgos, welcome to Beauty True Tarot, and this is a reading from 22nd of May to 28th of May. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Virgos. Two of Hymns. Eight of Pentacles. Page of Chalices. Eight of Pentacles. And Ten of Chalices. So here you have Two of Pentacles. Looks like you're stuck somewhere. A lot of contemplation and a lot of doubt is here. It looks like that you are going to choose your priority. It's about choosing the priority this week. Maybe you have a lot of work with this Eight of Pentacles. A good opportunity will show up, and maybe you would like to have this as a priority and not your relationship. That is making your person upset. Maybe they're being too much demanding and you feel like how to handle the situation. You just cannot think of being in this kind of dilemma, because with this Eight of Pentacles, your person is really sensitive. No matter what you're doing, they are considering it as the end of this relationship. Even if you're telling them, okay, I'm busy, I'll call you later, we'll talk later, we will meet later, this person feels like that you are avoiding them on purpose, and it has ended and everything is gone, and they're doubting you without any reason. And maybe the reason is this person is blind. This person cannot see what you are going through. They cannot understand what you are going through. Maybe Virgo, you need to explain it to them. You haven't given any explanation, or you haven't talked much about your situation. Maybe you haven't told them that Pentacle has to be your priority right now, and you will have to work on this, and you cannot miss this opportunity. Or maybe you will give them attention when you will have time to do so, because I see that you are quite busy in this week. So you will feel stressed between your work and between your love life. So here you need to focus on what you want, because with this Page of Chalices, you're getting everything. Your wish is being granted. Maybe you were craving for some increment in your professional life, and it's being offered, and you are being offered something that you were looking for, but then your person feels like that you're going away from them. You might be in a long distance relationship, and they feel insecure because they cannot see what you're doing. And here you have Ten of Chalices. Here I see that they are longing to be with you. They are longing for your presence. It looks like that they want to be in your arms. They want to feel you physically, and you are not around. That is what upsets them. Okay? And with this Ten of Cups, this person feels like that when you are around, everything is right, but when you are gone, there is nothing left. This person might be battling depression as well. Okay? Maybe you are their medicine. You are helping them get out of this situation. Maybe they are addicted to your presence. They are addicted to you, and without you they feel like they cannot do, and that is their problem. Okay, here you have a lot of Pentacles and Cups, so maybe an earth sign or a water sign. However, this is a general reading, So it could be any sign, and of course it is not going to resonate for everyone. And the energy could be reversed as well. Also, you can check your moon and rising sign. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you, Virgos. Excuse me. Four of Pentacles. The Green Man. Page of Wands. I don't feel like picking up that card. The Lady and the Lord. And Six of Wands. So here we have Four of Pentacles. With this Four of Pentacles, you have to be very careful with what you're doing with your money. Someone is looking at you. I'm not saying that this is your partner, but this could be anyone who is looking at your money. Okay, maybe they are looking to take advantage of you. And it could be a friend or it could be anyone, but someone is being greedy here. And with the card of the Green Man, your person is, I don't know, frustrated about something. This person feels completely disconnected. This person feels like you have left them on their own. But somehow, they are, you know, in a happy mood. I see that they are living in a fantasy. Even if you are not there, they are assuming that you are there, and they are planning a future with you. They are dreaming about you. They are trying to be positive. They are trying to stay positive when you are not around. But certainly this person is trying to avoid the reality, because the reality is making them sad somehow. And then here you have Page of Wands. But this Page of Wands, this person is loyal. This person is waiting for you. Even if they are restless, even if they are being demanding, even if they are complaining, still they want to stay here. They want to wait for you, because they know that you are the one. They feel this connection deeply. Here you see the card of the Lady and the Lord. It could be something that goes beyond the physical world. It comes from the universe. You are connected at the spiritual level, and they feel like your souls are one. So this person is happy to have you. However, right now this is being tough for them to handle this situation. But somehow they know that they will make it. And maybe you are the reason behind their determination, behind their power. Because here with the Six of Wands, this person thinks that they are victorious if they have you by their side. They know that they will make it through if you stay in touch. I don't know, maybe this person is sick and they are trying to get out of the darkness. They feel like you are a necessity. Okay, let's check a message for you. The Odyssey. Take in the beauty of country lands and botany. Explore the wonder like a gypsy traveler's Odyssey. So maybe wherever you're going, you need to enjoy that journey. You need to learn from your journey. Maybe you're going to learn new things, and you're coming across the things that are going to give you new life, and you'll feel new energy that will help you get out of this dilemma, that will help you recharge. Yes, because you need your energy back. It might feel like you are getting drained. Your energy is getting drained because you are stressed between your work and love. So it's about finding your peace first, Virgo. So this was the reading from 22nd of May to 28th of May. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.